Hello friends, welcome back to RKG Gurukul. My name is Raj Kamal Gupta. Let's continue the series of data structure. If you not subscribed this channel till yet, please subscribe the channel. In this video, we will discuss introduction to algorithm. Let's start with some formal definition of algorithm. An algorithm is a technique to solve a well-defined problem. It can also define as a set of precise steps to solve a particular problem. In another word, we can say that an algorithm is a list of steps, and that steps should be sequence of unambiguous instruction for solving a problem that transform the input into the output. That means whenever we have to solve a particular problem, or we have to transfer the input into the desired output through a computer, we required an algorithm. So through that algorithm, we can convert input into desired output. Let's take an example. Suppose we have 10 integer data and we have to find the average of that integer data. So we have a problem. We have a problem that we have to calculate the average of 10 integer data. So that 10 integer data will be our input and our expected output will be the average of that 10 integer data. So how are we going to solve that? To solve this problem, we would first calculate the sum of that integer. We have to calculate the sum of 10 integer. Then we will calculate the average by just dividing this sum by 10, and that will be our output, and this average will be our output. So we have basically developed a method to solve a particular problem, and that method is going to take 10 integer data as an input, and it is going to give average of that 10 integer data as an output. So this method is called as algorithm. So you are now clear with the idea of what is algorithm. Now comes to the characteristic of algorithm. What is the characteristic of algorithm? Characteristic of algorithms. The first characteristic of algorithm is input specified. That means an algorithm has 0 or more than 0 but only finite number of input. That input is the data to be transformed during the computation to provide the output. Input precision required that you know what kind of data we are going to use, how much of data we are going to use, and what form of the data we are going to use. Second characteristic is output specified. An algorithm has one or more output. The requirement of at least one output is obviously essential, because otherwise user cannot know the solution provided by the algorithms. The output have specific relation to the input, where the relationship is defined by the algorithm. Third characteristic is finiteness. The algorithm must stop eventually. Stopping may mean that you get an expected output, or you get a response that no solution is possible. Algorithm must terminate after a finite number of steps. And an algorithm should not be infinite, that always terminate after definite number of steps. There is no point in developing an algorithm which is infinite, as it will be useless for us. Fourth characteristic is definiteness or no ambiguity. What is that? Each steps of an algorithm must be precisely defined. The action to be carried out must be rigorously and unambiguously specified for each steps. That is, Algorithms should be clear and unambiguous. Fifth characteristic is effectiveness. For an algorithm, it is to be effective. It means that all those steps that are required to get the output must be feasible with the available resources. It should not contain any unnecessary or any redundant steps which could make an algorithm ineffective. An algorithm should be effective. This means that each of the operations to be performed in the algorithm must be sufficiently basic that it can be done exactly and in finite length of time. It may noted that the finiteness condition is a special case of effectiveness. If a sequence of steps is not finite, then it cannot be effective. Next characteristic is independent. An algorithm should have step-by-step directions which should be independent of any programming code. It should be such that it could be run on any of the programming language. Thus, these are the characteristics that an algorithm should have for its fruitfulness. That's all about this video. Please like, comment, share this video. Thanks for watching.